Tormented by the voices, regretting some of my choices. Tell me how you give me life, I give you poison. How you provide enough to ensure my survival. And how I try to judge you like it's my name that's in the Bible. That was wretched of me, pitiful. How dare I be so critical? We'll put some extra cut in it, you cut my umbilical. Ridicule, you get high, I feel like I ain't shit to you. Miserable, couldn't see I really mean the world to you. Serving you, being disrespectful, even swung on you. Got mad and pulled a knife on you, wishing that you had a gun on you. Cause some things I gotta live with really weigh a lot. Probably gonna weigh tenfold when you're not around. Thinking of it now, I know I could drown easily. Dread to face the day, pray for me if I reach to see that time come to pass. Cause I ain't up to task. You my motherfucking heart, shit, my mind might collapse. I'm so pitiful. So pitiful. Way beyond pitiful. I'm talking pitiful. Felt like I ain't shit to you. No. Being pitiful. I will pity you. No, no, no. Pitiful. Tormented by your memory. Sitting here wishing you was next to me. How you give me love, but I become the enemy. How? Toxic energy, like you was just another casualty. Haphazardly, walking out of your life so casually. Like you never truly held me down a day in your life. All I gave you was pain, but all you gave me was right. Should've made you my wife, but you should spit in my face. I should've gave you my best, instead I came with disgrace. Any excuses I could make fall short of justification. They always just an ingrate, elated with newfound validation. Impatient to denigrate something potentially so sacred. Secretly afraid of pain, making you carry the weight of my past anguish. I'm wildin', feeling like I'm really out here styling. Denying what I know is real, I really ain't about shit. Childish when you someone I could've had a child with. Instead I'm filling you with doubt, my love, you better off without it. Nah, that was pitiful. Nah, I'm talking pitiful. So pitiful. I understand why I ain't shit to you, I get it. Truthfully, I'm beyond pitiful. So pitiful.